subscribe to Madhura's recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to Madhura's recipe. Today I am making yummy and delicious chocolate coffee mousse, and for that in a bowl I have taken 2 tablespoons of hot water. In that goes in 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Give that a mix and let's set this aside. Now our next step is to make chocolate ganache, and for that I am adding 1/4 cup of heavy cream in a bowl. You can also use fresh cream in place of heavy cream, and in that goes in 3/4 cup of dark chocolate, and I'm going to microwave this together for just about a minute, making sure to give this a stir after 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, give this a stir and put this back in microwave for 30 more seconds. And after 30 more seconds, give this one more stir until it turns nice, smooth and creamy. And here this chocolate ganache is ready. It looks nice, smooth and creamy. Now let's keep this aside. Now our next step is to make whipped cream. So in a bowl I have some whipping cream. Here in India this whipping cream comes with added sugar in that, so I am not going to add some additional sugar. So I have kept this bowl into freezer along with cream for half an hour. Now I will go ahead and beat this until it forms soft peak. And here this cream has formed soft peak. Now at this point of time, let's go ahead and add in just a hint of vanilla, just few drops. Chocolate, vanilla and coffee. This vanilla brings out nice chocolatey flavor from the chocolate. Now let's go ahead and again beat this up. And here this cream looks nice and stiff. Now let's go ahead and pour in this ganache in this whipped cream. Also add in this coffee. And fold this very gently with this cream. And once this chocolate ganache and coffee mixture is well combined with this whipped cream, I am going to pop this bowl in fridge for at least about an hour before serving this. Alright, so here this chocolate mousse has been set in fridge for about an hour now, and it looks so yummy and delicious. Now next, take any Ziploc bag and let's add this chocolate mousse mixture in that. Now let's cut the tip of this Ziploc bag, and I'm going to serve this into shot glasses. Looks super delicious. And now let's top this up with some Choco chips. I can't wait to test this. very rich, delicious. It just melts in your mouth. So to try out this chocolate mousse at home, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.